So I just made this fennel juice. I've never had fennel before. Smell like some damn licorice ass. Forgot about these muffins over there. That was a good part. What the hell? I thought I just turned this off. Ooh, to the wee. So here's my fennel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the tops off and wash the bottom. I was over here going to town, like, let me just record. And I looked up to my left, I said, oh wow, this is for y'all. Ooh, I can smell like a licorice type of smell just from spraying them. And I grabbed another muffin for my hard work that I'm doing right now. You want to cut off the ends too, I forgot about it, this part. Ooh, they dirty on the inside. Baby, cut them things apart, cut them loose and clean them. Oh, I'm feeling a little sorry for them people I've seen. Now, I don't think I've seen many people actually doing all this to clean their fennel. I think they was just cleaning the outside. You hear me scrubbing? Okay, I guess once you peel off like the first 1 or 2 like layers, then you're okay, because now it's like super compact and I don't think anything is really getting in there. Okay, let's just go ahead and do this. About 15. Cheers. Can't lie, I'm a little bit scared for this one. I've never been a fan of licorice, and it definitely smells like licorice. Not nasty, but not really that enjoyable for me. Like, this is definitely one of those drink for health juices. Yeah, look at that. But I'm gonna drink it. I'm always gonna drink it. All right, so here's the top 5 health benefits. It has heart-friendly nutrients like potassium and folate, may support healthy skin, anti-inflammatory, may aid in weight management, and can help symptoms of anemia. So this is some good stuff. I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, it's really good for you. I'm gonna drink it though, but not right now.